So there are a number of ways you can manifest them to become obsessed and chase you. One way is get a new car like I did. Another way, and the best way, is to follow these four techniques. They absolutely work. I call it the 100% method. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you to subscribe. Hey, we are here all the time with the latest in the mind sciences, personal empowerment, and of course, the law of attraction. And hey, we've got a hot one today. This is how to get someone obsessed with you and chasing you. When I mean obsessed in a good and positive way. I was just kidding about the car thing. We got a new car and, you drive down the street and everybody's looking at you. That's not the kind of obsession that lasts. That's not the kind of interest that lasts. Now, some of what we're going to go through here today is going to be helpful to you with a specific person, with a special person, with your marriage partner, with your ex, with your girlfriend or boyfriend, or with someone you just met. These methods, these techniques absolutely work. Now, the law of attraction says you and I, we create our reality through our beliefs, what we believe, and the stories we tell about ourselves, the reality that we have come to believe. And if we believe that reality and it is limiting us, it limits our attraction ability to get people excited about us and obsessed about us and wanting to spend more time with us. But high flyers, it's not just what you tell yourself about you. It's what you tell yourself about them as well. So have you put them up on a pedestal? Have you made them so perfect, so God or goddess-like that you can't reach them? Are they out of touch? Are they out of sight? You see, in your mind, they are either bigger than you, or they're your size, or they are smaller. When they are smaller, you're empowered and they become obsessed with you. When you're at the same size, you're working in harmony together. But when they're bigger than you, you've given them power over you. So high flyers, the first technique I call cutting them down to size. And I know that's a harsh title, but if you'll stay with me, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So all you need to do is close your eyes for a moment. And it doesn't take a long time. You don't have to be in a deep trance. You don't have to do any special breathing. Just close your eyes and visualize that person. But see them larger than you. See them bigger than you in your mind. And slowly, using the power of your will, bring them down in size while you are bringing yourself up in size. And pretty soon,
they are very, 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 very small. They're like little teeny people.
Okay. Maybe 2 feet or a foot tall. And you're like 9 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet tall. And so at that point, you feel this incredible sense of power that you have over them. Now, you want to add a red nose, a little clown nose to their nose. The reason you do that is because they were perfect before in your mind, and now you're making them kind of humorous. So put a red clown nose on them, put a little birthday party hat on them, and maybe some of those big flip-flop clown shoes. Put them on a unicycle going around in a circle, and maybe put some of that carousel music on in the background. And now here you are, you're big, they're like a little kid riding around on a carousel, and then you clear. That's it. That took you 60 seconds to do that. And then you do it again, and you clear. It took you 60 seconds again. And you're going to do it 7 times in a row. So this whole exercise only takes 7 minutes. But on an energetic frequency, vibrational level, you are raising yourself up, becoming more powerful, more confident, and more magnetic. And you're no longer intimidated by them because, well, they got a red clown nose and a little birthday cap and clown shoes, and they're riding a unicycle. And they're kind of funny, if you want to know what I mean. Okay. If you'll do that for just 3 days, 7 minutes, I promise you, you will see an absolute 180-degree flip in your communication and your relationship with that person. Number 2, don't chase. Do not. Absolutely, you are not a dog chasing your tail. Do not chase. Because when you chase, you're telling the universe, I don't have, I want, I need, I must have, and this is the only thing that can satisfy my needs. And so the universe says, well, let's send you more need then. Let's send you more want. And the harder you chase, the more you chase. Rather use the mirror technique. When they show you a little attention, show them a little back. When they show you a little energy, give them some energy back. When they text you, give them a text back. In other words, match their energy with your energy using the mirror technique. Now, number 3 is called the law of assumption. And the law of assumption, that people make big deals out of it. It's really quite easy. You assume that what you desire has already manifested, that you are the one, that everything is in perfect harmony, that you are already there. You are living as if it has already happened, and they are obsessed with you, and this specific person is chasing you, and they want you, and they crave you. And that's okay. Assume it, believe it, and make it so. Number 1. And write a story, a daily story of your life where they are coming after you, they're calling you, they're craving you. And at the end of each little story, you can get as creative as you want. You can be like Stephen King if you want in this. You create a whole storyline. And at the end of each little chapter or each little paragraph that you write every day, you're going to write a sentence of gratitude. I am so grateful that they are meeting me at the Chinese restaurant, and we're going to have Chinese food together, and we're just going to drink sake. Oh, that's Japanese. I'm sorry, but you get the idea. We're going to have a great time together at the restaurant. Or we met in the park, and we were holding hands, and then we started to kiss, and it was so wonderful. We just felt each other's emotions and our hearts pounding. And I am so grateful for this experience, for this moment in time. Gratitude erases all of that lower vibrational stuff. It uplifts like a beautiful eagle. It uplifts you. It gives you wings. It helps you soar. It raises your vibration. And when your vibration is raised and expanded, guess what? They're obsessed. They're chasing you. They're wanting you. They desire to spend more time with you. And that's a good thing. Okay? Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.